Looking for hair wax that holds up all day without the shine? I say hello to the Gatsby, the moving extreme matte styling wax that's all about the strong hold and natural texture and the clean matte finish. Packaged in its signature sleek gray jar, and 80 grams powerhouse is made for those who want definition and the control without the greasy, weighted down look. Designed in Japan by Madam, and this wax is part of our iconic this movie series known worldwide among hair enthusiasts. Open the jar and you will find a lightweighted creamy wax with a soft texture that's incredibly easy to scoop out and work between your palms. Despite its softness, it delivers an impressive strong hold that locks in your style while keeping hair touchable and flexible. A little goes a long way, just a fingertip amount, it's enough to craft the spikes and also even other looks and also even sharp and define the parts. What truly sets this extreme matte apart is its matte finish. Say goodbye to shine and hello to the natural, effortless vibe. Whether you're going for the massive bedhead look or a structured style, this wax keeps everything in place without making your hair look the stiff or the crunchy. And also you can easily restyle throughout the day. And the fresh fragrance is the signature of this. Pleasant but not overpowering, the perfect for daily use. And unlike many waxes, it washes out easily with the regular shampoo or leaving no sticky residue behind. This is ideal for short to the medium length hair, and this wax works beautifully on thick and coarse and even slightly wave hair. This is more than just a styling product. It's a game changer for anyone craving strong hold with a natural finish.